Good morning, everyone. Let's begin our social science class. Chapter The Story of Village Palampur, and today's topic are Green Revolution and its adverse effect on environment. In previous video, we have discussed about modern farming and traditional farming. Modern farming is the part of Green Revolution. What is Green Revolution? It was introduced in India in 1960, under which Indian farmer cultivate wheat and rice using high yield variety HYV seed compared to traditional seed. The HYV seed promised to produce much greater amount of grain on a single plant. As a result, the same piece of land would now produce far larger quantity of food grain than was possible earlier. HYV seed, however, needed plenty of water and chemical fertilizers and pesticides to produce best result. So the farmers in the village areas set up tube well for irrigation made up of HIV seed, chemical fertilizer, pesticide in farming, and the tractor, thresher, which made plowing and harvesting faster. And in favor, they were rewarded with high yield of wheat. So this is all included in Green Revolution. First state which was adopted Green Revolution in India was Punjab, then Haryana and UP, due to which they are getting much more production in wheat and rice production. Then we can see this increased production with the help of this production table, which compare wheat and pulses in India. The above graph shows that the Green Revolution was not equally successful for production of pulses and wheat. The production of both the crops was equal before the Green Revolution, but after that production of pulses was not very good. There was a large increase in the production of wheat, but not in the production of pulses. So we can conclude that the Green Revolution was good for wheat but not so good for pulses. Then after the use of all these modern farming method, will the land sustain? Land being a natural resource, it is necessary to be careful in its use. Scientific reports indicate that the modern farming method have overused the natural resource base. In many areas, Green Revolution is associated with a loss of soil fertility due to increased use of the chemical fertilizer, pesticide, and continuous irrigation increase the salinity in the soil. So farmer continuously using the modern farming inputs, pesticide, insecticides to save their crop, and in result decrease in soil fertility. Then when rain comes, then whatever pesticide and fertilizer used by the farmer in the field, it percolate into the underground water or fresh water bodies and contaminated underground water as well as fresh water. So this is the side effect of modern farming method. Then continuous irrigation through the tube well decreased the groundwater table, and it led the water scarcity in future. So this is the adverse effect of Green Revolution on environment. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.